thinking of the ulam of sinigang but with fish. Maybe we call it sinigang fish, right? Sinigang fish.
Yeah. Sinigang na isda. Yeah.
Isda.
Isda.
So let's go shop for our groceries, guys. Come on. We just took some what is it? Coriander leaf
Yeah, it's like celery.
and some green chilies,
And then pechay.
pechay, and also some cabbage. Mm. Do you know how to cook this, Cyrus?
Oh, I don't know that.
Do you know what?
Asparagus.
This is asparagus.
Oh.
Very delicious. This is all the type of fish.
Is this
Oh,
salmon?
yeah. This is what I'm talking about. You know, cook the head.
Yeah.
What do you think? Can we do sinigang with it?
Yeah. So, isa lang guys. Pwede na.
So this is the salmon fish head. So maybe the sinigang we're cooking, we will be using this salmon fish head. So we will be taking that one, a little bit bigger in size. Whoa, what is this?
Oh, the laman loob.
Yeah, of the fish.
Oh, tomato is expensive here.
Mm.
Cook this in tortang talong.
I'm thinking of, like fry it as our pulutan.
I will, cook it in fire.
Mm.
Grill.
Grill it?
Yeah.
You mean without using the pan?
Yeah, and then mix it with egg. So
Okay.
it become, tortang talong.
Tortang kalong. Alright. I'll have to translate that later.
We can put something of this in sinigang.
Is it? Okay. This is the quail eggs. One of the delicacies in Philippines. They mix the quail eggs in any of their recipes.
Don't know how to
There's a
read
lot
it.
of choice here. Look.
But the color is like, fish sauce.
There's so many choice here. Look at the fish sauce. How can you find?
Can you read it?
I can't. I can't read that. We finally found our fish sauce for today. Cyrus is an
Guys,
instant noodle freak.
it's like
There are many types of instant noodle here. You cannot choose like in a day.
it's okay. Guys, nakakita na naman ako ng langit. Langit. It's heaven here.
Oh, langit is heaven.
This one. It's
And
very
again,
cheap.
he's not done with the drinking yet. It's
very
cheaper here.
big.
We found the fish beer. Today we're not only looking for fish sauce, but we're also looking for fish beer. Everything is about fish.
So where's the one that you mix it? The lemon?
Tarang, the demi soda, a little lemon too, our stomach.
And it's like the price is only 750.
Yeah, so maybe we'll take two. Two is enough.
Guys, my friend
Recommend him
it's
this
like the soy sauce of the crab.
Yes,
Crab
yes.
soy sauce.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's gold.
So Cyrus is very good. He chose me. Look. Monkey man.
Ayun guys, pag bibili tayo ng karne, siyempre kailangan natin yung may taba tsaka laman. Masarap yung may taba. Sa amin nga, mas paborito namin yung may maraming taba.
So
More fat.
yeah. This is the quail eggs.
It's something new about the sinigang na salmon.
Sinigang na salmon.
Yeah. Dadagdagan natin siya guys ng quail eggs.
Alright. We have our recipe. Today is pork salmon. Pork salmon. No. Sinigang na salmon. Sinigang na salmon. Pork salmon.
Pork salmon, yeah.
Pork salmon.
Sinigang na salmon.
Sinigang na salmon.
Not
Sinigang
pork
na-
salmon, that's
Oh,
Kumusta kayo?
Kumusta kayo guys? Today we are cooking sinigang na salmon. The preparation of the ingredients I will show to you guys.
Salmon
Little
head.
bit closer look. Alright, so that's the salmon head we purchased earlier this morning.
The ginger. Second one is a little bit of onion. And it's up to you guys. If you want more, you can add more. But this is the ingredients. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
And then this is the, exotic.
What is that?
Sinigang is don't have egg, but for now I'll put, quail
Oh my God,
eggs.
you still have this one inside.
Yeah. Also some
Green
chili.
chilies.
And then this one, you know it guys. Alam niyo naman to, pechay.
Pechay.
Konti lang naman gagamitin like.
Coriander leaf.
I know, ito siguro yung celery nila. Celery. Small amount of patis.
Fish sauce.
Fish. Black pepper.
Black pepper. The sinigang mix. So we have two types of sinigang. Sinigang
I will use,
gabi and
yeah.
also sinigang the original mix one.
Yeah.
To use both of this.
Yeah. A little bit of ajinomoto.
Ajinomoto. Okay.
We don't use salt because we already have, fish sauce.
Oh, is it like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now I know. So the first step is
Boil.
water.
Yeah. Only water. And then
Only water.
we can already, put the first ingredients.
Put the first ingredients inside there.
First one like the onion.
Onion. You put the onion first.
And then ginger.
Mm-hmm.
And the last one is tomato.
Oh, we can put it earlier.
Yeah.
Then it won't too soft, no?
It's okay if it's too soft. Yeah. There you go, guys.
Okay, so just like that.
So we'll wait like, 20 minutes.
20 minutes for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Before you cook any vegetable, you need to wash your vegetable. Coriander leaf.
Like this. Tadang! So comment lang kayo guys kung baka may gusto kayong ipaluto. Lulutuin natin yan.
This is the salmon fish Cyrus prepare.
So yun guys, halos tapos na. Tayo na lang natin kumulo. Ito wait it to boil.
This tidbits here, spicy and a little bit of
Yeah.
peanut-ish and prawn-ish. This pulutan is from India. This. Like this.
The smell.
The smell.
Then guys, konting patis. Black pepper. So the spices will be melt on the soup. Oh, my friend is.
What is this?
That is him. Yeah.
Ding ding ding.
Let's also add some ajinomoto. So guys, kaya gagamit lang naman ako ng sinigang sa sampalok mix with gabi. Kasi Kasi parang yun nga guys, ito parang mas malinamnam nga para sa akin yung sinigang mix sa baboy. Ito, kumbaga, ilalagay na natin siya ng buo. Yung maliit lang naman to Kasi ito, kahit mga kalahati lang siguro yung original sinigang sa sampalok mix. Guys, ito, lalagay ko na yung mix natin. Tapos, konti na itong original. Konting halo lang. Ayun lang natin siyang kumulo ulit, guys. Amoy pa lang. Busog ka na. Cooking while, jamming. Guys, so ito na siya, kumukulo na. Pwede nang ilagay ang ating main ingredient, salmon. Ayan ang isda, guys, lumalangoy na yung isda. Lumalangoy na yung isda. This is also the time that we need to put the, vegetable. The pechay. And the green chili. So, yan na guys. Tayo na lang natin siyang kumulo ng mga 5 to 10 minutes. This one, sa last part na to. Oh, the fish is hiding.
Yeah. Can you show the fish? Like just maybe.
Guys, nawala yung isda. Hanapin natin siya kung nandito pa.
Where are you, fish? Whoa.
Lower the fire.
Lower the
Medium
fire.
fire.
Medium fire. And how long do you estimate we should leave it?
Like 5 to 75 minutes.
Can you imagine, like, when you're waiting for it to boil and suddenly there's some alien object, passing by like this? Alien object, passing by like this?
Every time you come around, I can't say no.
So this is a quail eggs and chicken eggs. Cha-chang!
Sajan!
Wow! And the coriander leaf with the quail eggs and chicken eggs all together. Sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Some, patis.
We add,
Fish flavor.
yes, we add the fish sauce.
The fish is, guys, hiding. That's her eyes. So well done, guys. Mamaya tikiman na.
I wish you guys try this recipe at home. I suggest that you try with your friends and family. The experience is much more better, enjoyable, and right?
Yeah.
It's more fun. When we cook it like with friends and family, the dish like become more delicious, right?
Yeah.
Masarap na. Masarap na.
I'm enjoying eating. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video. At sana supportan nyo kami. As always, with my friend Osha. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And see us on the next video.
See you on the next video.
We'll cook more. Recipes.
Comment down below if you want to
Request
some dishes We'll cook it for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also don't forget the banana. Happy dinner.